Hey there, students. Mr. Wolf here. I just wanted to wish you a restful and safe spring break. And just also wanted to communicate how proud I am of all the work you guys have been putting in. We're working on a year's time right now since the whole COVID thing began and we all went remote. And you guys have been awesome troopers, just adjusting to the situation, learning a completely new platform, and just sticking to that work in spite of all the things going on. I just wanted to say how proud I am. Take this time in the next week or so to decompress and to relax. When we can look ahead when we get back. We've got a couple of different units, relatively short, bite-sized ones to deal with before the end of the year. So we're going to try and start fresh. But yeah, take some time to relax. Maybe read a little bit, get yourself outside after this monstrous snowstorm happens. Help your parents shovel maybe. And yeah, just take some time to decompress and enjoy yourself before we get back to the weighty work we do through the rest of the semester. All right. If you need anything, please message me, and I'll do my best to respond to you in a timely fashion. But again, thanks and have a restful spring break. Bye, guys.